Good morning, everybody. Hello, ladies. Here's my beautiful turkey girls. Yeah, you're a good girl, huh? Just wanted to show everybody because most of you got a glimpse of what it was like in winter. And as things are popping open here, first irises. As things are popping open here, it's really beautiful. God, it happens so fast too. It's like boom, all of a sudden blooms and blossoms, and looks like the peonies are about to bloom as well. Truly grateful. What's up, dude? Yeah. Hello, chickies. Don't eat my sweet pea bush. Thank you. Ducks are raiding the little pond over there. What are you doing, Mr. Man? Eating arugula? Beautiful, beautiful morning. I do love this time of year. Blessed be.